Welcome to the Seneca Software tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to execute a SQL command in the Seneca database. Follow along to learn how to retrieve data from the database efficiently. Let's get started. Seneca can connect to various relational databases, allowing ad hoc queries to be run on the selected database. In this example, we display all records found in the content ramen table within the Seneca data warehouse. First step, open the Seneca database. Second step, on the left side, select the data warehouse from the data connection drop-down list. Third step, on the left side, open the tables. Fourth step, in the SQL command empty area, write the following text. Select star from content ramen. Fifth step, click on execute. And that's how you can execute an SQL command in the Seneca database within Seneca Software. By following these steps, you can easily retrieve and manage your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.